Yeah, man, I don't know, say artist this, you understand. And you see this video me about to show now to all Jamaicans, you know. Yeah, well, all Jamaicans if take a look at this video, you understand? Yeah, man. All Jamaicans for 2024, me I beg you know, if do good. You understand? Because good over evil every time. You understand? With evil, you will suffer. But with good, you live forever. You understand? Because good over evil. Remember, say God made the world. You understand? So all Jamaican, take a look on this.
People come to Jamaica with vile intentions. There is a documentary going around on the internet about Jamaica's gun violence crime. Jamaicans, please stop embarrassing yourself to the world. Whatever money they pay you guys to do this interview isn't fucking worth it. We are better than this. Why don't they go interview the knife crimes of the UK where dumb boys fight over postcodes? Why don't you go and interview them and show the world the stupidity? Why don't you go interview crime in LA on Skid Row? I'm not saying crime isn't in Jamaica. Yes, 100% is, but just like everywhere else, for fuck's sake, argue with your mom. Guys, you have to understand that Jamaica is not an easy country to live in with little to no income coming into a household. It is not like the UK where there is a benefit system that houses you and gives you money so you don't starve. There is no backup system in Jamaica. There is no handout. This is why I will never understand why there is so much crime in the UK, where most people have equal opportunity, but yet still they are there fighting over areas that do not even belong to them. Dumbest thing I have ever seen, to be completely honest. Aren't you guys tired of being used by Western media? Like they don't care about Jamaicans. They are only doing this for the views. I am sick and tired of Western media using Jamaica for their stupid storyline. And for the thick individuals in that interview, please don't do any more interviews. Y'all are really embarrassing to the Jamaican culture. Please bear in mind tourism is the highest income in Jamaica. So when you guys spoil the reputation of Jamaica, how the people that are in the tourism business eat, what will become of Jamaica? Fucking dunce bats. And for the person who created that documentary, please stay the fuck out of Jamaica. You are not welcome if you aren't coming to Jamaica to promote the good of Jamaica and the Jamaican people and put money into the country. So from the bottom of my heart, you can fuck right off. Thank you.